Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. My name is Hashir Ayaz. I am the student of Rayan School Islamabad, F8 campus at foundation level. So today my fourth TEDx on the topic of never give up on your dreams, lessons from Imran Khan. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today, I want to talk about something that connects every single one of us dreams. Dreams are not just thoughts, they are the fire inside us. They are the reasons wake up. They struggles fail and still move forward. And when we wake talk about dreams in Pakistan, one name always comes up: Imran Khan, a cricketer, a leader, a symbol of resilience. But today's talk is not blind prize, it is a balanced reflection, inspiration, and reality. Dreams are powerful because they give direction, they create purpose, they build identity. But there's the truth: dreams are easy, discipline is hard. Everyone dreams of success, but very few are ready to face failure, criticism. Close your eyes for a moment. Think about your biggest dream. Now ask yourself, why haven't you achieved it yet? What's stopping you? Fear, failure, or excuses? Today we are not just talking about dreams. We are talking about truth behind dreams. And to understand that, we take an example: Imran Khan, a man who won a World Cup but built a hospital, became prime minister, but also faced failure, made mistakes. Struggle is real. Mistakes are humans. Don't just admire leaders. Become better than them. Don't just follow dreams. Build them. Don't just criticize others. Fix yourself. I hope you enjoy, viewers. So today my topic is never give up on your dream, lesson from Imran Khan. So this is complete successfully. So Assalamu alaikum, Pakistan Zindabad.